Use Face Connect. Face Connect is a feature that provides convenience to the driver by recognizing the driver's face to lock and unlock the vehicle door. To use the Face Connect, you must first register your face in the driver profile on the navigation screen. Each driver profile can register one face. Put both smart keys in the vehicle for face registration. Turn on the vehicle and select Settings. User Profile. Driver 1 or Driver 2. Face Recognition on the navigation screen. After entering the profile password, select Face Register, Delete. Register.
Please step out of the vehicle and look straight into the camera.
Circular indicator around the camera will light up in white and start rotating. After moving out of the vehicle according to the instructions and looking directly at the facial recognition camera, the system will start registering your face. When face registration starts, you can check the progress through the light on the circular indicator. If face registration is not successful, audio guidance is provided through the vehicle's indoor speaker. So keep the driver's door open during the registration. Registration is not possible if the face is partially covered or the face is at a different direction. When registration is complete, the circular indicator lights up in green for 2 seconds, and a notification of successful registration is given through the vehicle's interior speaker.
Facial recognition set.
Also, a completion pop-up is displayed on the navigation screen. Your vehicle can now recognize your registered face to lock or unlock the vehicle doors without a smart key. When you touch the center of the handle on the outside of the door, the circular indicator around the recognition camera lights up in white, and the facial recognition begins. Look straight into the camera at a reasonable distance. When the facial recognition is successful, the circular indicator turns to green, and the vehicle door is locked or unlocked. If the vehicle door is unlocked through facial recognition, the registered fingerprint can be used to start the vehicle and start driving without a smart key. In order to delete registered face, keep at least one smart key inside the vehicle. With the vehicle on, select Settings. User Profile. Driver 1 or Driver 2. Face Recognition on the navigation screen. After entering the profile password, select Register Delete Face. Delete, and follow the instructions to delete the registered face. If you want to leave your smart key or smartphone equipped with a digital key inside the vehicle and lock using Face Connect, keep your smart key out of sight to prevent theft.